The OLIGHT Ostation X is a compact portable power station built to keep small devices and essential gear running when you're away from a wall outlet. In this review, we'll cover the key features, who it's for, the rating, and the most frequently asked questions, so you can decide if its mix of portability, charging speed, and limited capacity makes sense for you. Let's begin. Key features. To begin with, the main selling point is the compact design, which makes the Ostation X easier to pack, move, and store than a bulkier power station. Also, fast recharging helps a lot in real use, because you can get it ready again without waiting around all day. On the other hand, the port setup is really aimed at everyday gear, so it works best for phones, tablets, lights, and similar low-draw devices. Finally, the biggest trade-off is battery capacity, since this model is more about short, practical backup power than long sessions with larger equipment. Who it's for. If you're a camper who hates carrying oversized gear just to keep phones, lights, and small accessories charged, this gives you useful power in a much easier size. For a garage or workshop user dealing with small electronics and quick tool-related charging needs, it keeps the basics powered without taking over your bench. Anyone building a simple emergency kit for short outages will like that it handles essential devices quickly and is easy to grab when the power goes out. I would not recommend it if you want to run a refrigerator, high-watt kitchen gear, or full-day home backup during longer outages. Rating. For portability, the score is 4.8 out of 5. Compact size makes it easy to carry and store. For charging speed, the score is 4.6 out of 5. Quick recharge is a strong advantage for short-term use. For port selection, the score is 4.3 out of 5. Well suited to everyday devices and light accessories. For battery capacity, the score is 4.0 out of 5. Fine for essentials, limited for longer run times. For build quality, the score is 4.4 out of 5. Feels solid and ready for regular portable use. The final score is 4.4 out of 5. In its range, the value for money is very strong and clearly competitive. Frequently asked questions. Can the OLIGHT Ostation X run larger home appliances? No, it's better for smaller electronics, lights, and other low-draw devices rather than larger household appliances. Is the OLIGHT Ostation X a good choice for camping? Yes, especially for weekend camping where you want compact power for essentials without hauling a much larger battery. Does the OLIGHT Ostation X work well for emergency backup? Yes, for short-term backup of phones, lights, and small devices, but not for long outages or heavy power needs. Final thoughts. Overall, the OLIGHT Ostation X earns a strong 4.4 out of 5 for being such an easy power station to carry and use day to day. Its biggest advantage is how portable it is. But the clear limitation is that it's not the right choice if you need to keep larger appliances running. For campers and anyone who wants simple backup power for small essentials, it makes a lot of practical sense. If that sounds like what you need, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. See you next time.